NOx emissions are an invisible health hazard, causing harmful effects on our health, such as asthma. Unfortunately, it is impossible for us to predict the amount of pollutants in the air because they can only be measured by large, expensive stationary sensors. Can we change that? The Autonomous University of Madrid, a provider of gas detection technologies, Cleopa, a developer of a sensor-based smart services, and Sensing and Control, an expert in healthy and safe smart homes, joined their forces, and NoxBox is the result. A mobile, low-cost, low-power device monitoring NOx emissions, able to communicate with our smartphone. Based on knowledge transferred from UAM to the two industrial partners, Cleopa becomes the market leader in mapping of environmental pollutants, and Sensing and Control enhances their smart home services in the home automation market. Yet another example of how TETRAMAX stimulates transformation of great ideas to novel technologies, leading to improved products and to even broader market opportunities. TETRAMAX, your one-stop shop for digitizing European SMEs. Visit tetramax.eu for more information on our funding opportunities.